Have you ever come across such an exponential equation? Worry not. I will use a step-by-step method on how to solve it out within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch it up to the end. So let's now start with the solution. You can also share your answers, whichever you've got, on the comment section. So we have 4 to the power of a multiplied by 4 to the power of a is equals to 100. So let me take you through. Assuming that we have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, this one can also be written as a to the power of m plus n. So this one is how we shall work it out. So similarly, we can say that now 4 to the power of a multiplied by 4 to the power of a is equals to 4 to the power of a plus a. So now this one now shall be 4 to the power of a plus a is 2a. So now we shall now say that 4 to the power of 2a, so 4 to the power of 2a is equals to 100. So let's now solve the value for a. It is simple. Let's now introduce the log from both sides. So that means that now we shall have the log of 4 to the power of 2a is equals to the log of 100. So assuming that we have the log of x to the power of y, this one can also be written as y, the log of x. So that means that now we shall have 2a, the log of 4, is equals to the log of 100. So therefore now we shall now divide both sides by the log 4. Then also this side we shall now also divide by the log of 4. So that is to mean that our log 4 and log 4 shall cancel. So now we shall remain with 2a is equals to the log of 100 all over the log of 4. So when it reaches at this point, we need to have what is called factorization. So that means that now we shall have 2a is equals to the log of 100, which can also be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 25, because 4 multiplied by 25 brings 100 all over the log of 4. So from here now we shall now open the bracket by now having 2a here is equals to the log of 4, then plus the log of 25, then all over our log of 4. So next now we shall say that, so when you open the bracket now we shall have 2a is equals to, so this one now shall have the log of 4. So because we are dividing both sides by the log 4, then plus the log of 25 all over the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel. So now our 2a is equals to 1 plus the log of 25 all over the log of 4. So here now 2a is equals to, so 1 plus the log of 25 can also be written as the log of 5 to the power of 2. Then all over the log 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2. So that is to mean that now our 2a is equals to 1 plus, so this one can also be written as 2 the log of 5, then all over 2 the log of 2. So this one now we shall say that 2a is equals to 1 plus, so 2 and 2 shall cancel. So now we shall have the log of 5 all over the log of 2. So for us to work it out correctly, we shall now be forced to rewrite this maths problem. So assume we have log a all over the log of b. This one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So we shall now say that our 2a is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 2. So since we are finding the value for a, so it means that we need to divide both sides by 2. So here now by 2, then this side by 2, this side also we shall also divide by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now we shall remain with a. So our value for a is equals to, so here now we shall have 1 over 2, then plus, so this one now shall have 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 2. So now this one now qualifies to be our correct answer. So I hope you worked out this maths problem without the use of any calculator in a perfect way. So let's stop there and see you in our next video.